Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your Google Play Store install stuck on padding on this device. If you have the same situation as mine, you must cancel this install and go back to the main menu of our smartphone, where we navigate to the settings. In it, we look for General Management selection, where we have our date and time. Now, to fix it, we must turn on first function, Automatic Date and Time. After that, all would work. We go back to the main menu and try install something from Google Play Store. And it is working right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.